Welcome back to Auto Orbitz, the channel where style meets speed, and design collides with engineering excellence. Today, we've got something incredibly special on the menu for you gearheads, tuners, and enthusiasts who live and breathe the spirit of JDM legends. What you're looking at isn't just any sports car. This is a reimagined icon, a fully customized and extensively modified version of the legendary Honda S2000, brought into the year 2025 with aggressive styling, bleeding-edge performance tweaks, and modern craftsmanship that makes it feel like a machine from another realm. For those who might be new to the S2000 legacy, let me catch you up. Originally introduced in 1999 and discontinued in 2009, the Honda S2000 quickly earned cult status thanks to its high-revving 2.0-liter VTC engine, perfect weight distribution, and razor-sharp handling. It was the quintessential driver's car, raw, analog, and perfectly balanced. But the car we're reviewing today, it takes that DNA and injects it with futuristic steroids. As we walk around this beast, the first thing that hits you right in the face is the front end, mean, low, and unapologetically aggressive. The headlights have been replaced with custom LED halo projectors that give the car a modern, almost cyberpunk stare. The front bumper features a deep, wide-mouth intake that isn't just for show. It feeds a custom intercooler setup tucked behind a carbon fiber splitter that juts out with red pinstriping for contrast. Functional canards and support rods lend this front face a motorsport-ready feel, while the transparent hood gives us a mouth-watering peek at the red anodized intake manifold and chromed-out piping underneath. This engine bay isn't hidden, it's on display like a piece of performance art. Moving to the side, the widebody fender flares hug the wheels like they're sewn into the sheet metal. It's an aggressive stance. One that says this car is ready to rip through corners or stand still and win awards at a show. Sitting on custom 19-inch forged wheels with a satin black finish and wrapped in sticky semi-slick tires, the fitment is flawless. The ride height is slammed, thanks to a fully adjustable air suspension system that can raise or lower the car with pinpoint precision. The side skirts are sculpted and subtle, with carbon detailing that ties in beautifully with the front splitter. Even the wing mirrors have been swapped out for sleeker, more aerodynamic units, echoing that track day aesthetic. As we wrap around to the rear, things get even more intense. The back end of this modified S2000 features a fully custom diffuser setup in carbon fiber that looks like it came straight off a GT3 car. Dual titanium-tipped exhausts sit dead center, flanked by aggressive aero fins that channel air cleanly. The taillights have been modernized with a full LED matrix pattern, maintaining the original design language but elevating it with 2025 flair. Sitting atop the trunk is a full carbon wing-mounted.
Здесь запах кожи, мягкий свет и ощущение уюта, даже до включения зажигания. Мобильный телефон 0 часов 40 минут, приборная панель и центральный дисплей. Диктор. Центральный сенсорный дисплей, сердце интерфейса. Он управляет навигацией, климатом, мультимедиа и настройками автомобиля. Водителю доступна цифровая приборная панель с адаптивной графикой, все настраивается под стиль вождения. Молоток и гаечный ключ и 1 час 10 минут и отделка, материалы, эргономика. Диктор. Черная кожа с контрастной прострочкой, вставки из натурального дерева и алюминия создают ощущение премиального уюта. Все органы управления под рукой. Lexus думает за водителя. Музыкальная нота, 1 час 40 минут аудио и освещение. Диктор. Премиальная аудиосистема обеспечивает кристально чистый звук. А контурная LED-подсветка задает настроение в темное время суток.